We're gonna start what's in the shop this week with this beautiful Audi RSQ8. This is basically the mini Urus. We did a stealth wrap on this car. So it was a gloss finish paint. We converted it to satin. Now it almost perfectly matches the wheels. And also this car had raw carbon or matte finish carbon fiber. So it's all now protected with stealth too. It's such a clean look. I love these things. Twin turbo V8s, basically exactly the same as the Lamborghini, just a different body, different emblem on it. And I think it's tuned slightly different. Beside that, you guys might remember the Kubota we were working on last week. This got a vinyl wrap. It went from orange to white, and then we added some graphics, a stripe down the side, as well as the word police on the front. This is for UPG, their campus. We're also doing one for Pitt of Johnstown. Beside that is a Ford Bronco currently getting polished. Zach is working on that. We're going to be coating it shortly after. You can see us taping off the plastic and the rubber. Basically things that don't need to get polished typically get taped off. On the lift, we have an Acura RDX. This one's getting a full front PPF protection. So hood, fenders, mirrors, front bumper. And beside that, the first Cybertruck of the week, the first satin black xpel install we've done. xpel just recently released their satin black PPF. That's what this is. So feedback on that material. Was it great? Aaron, Max, awesome to work with. Yeah, we've heard a lot of good things about it. Our technicians say the same thing. You've got the protection, you've got the color, you've got the xpel warranty, can't go wrong. And we have a Z06, as we always seem to have in the shop. This one's getting a full xpel PPF wrap, as well as some vinyl work. That's why there's some disassembly going on here, turning this black, as well as the main roof cover piece that's over on the table. In the wash bay, JM is currently working on an annual inspection. We've always got one or two of those happening every day for all of the ceramic coatings we do. Caleb is currently polishing a Toyota Crown. This one's going to be getting a ceramic coating right after the polish is done. And in the tint bay, Terrell is currently tinting BMW 4 Series Coupe. Outside, we have a Polaris Ranger. We actually work on a decent amount of side-by-sides. This one, as you can tell, got tint. Don't have to worry about legality on this one. The windshield is black. Belongs to our friend Ed. Everything he gets tint. It's going to get cleaned up, tires dressed, then it's on its way. Beside it is a Ford Raptor that's here for an annual inspection, and a Ford Fiesta. Tinted the rear glass on this one. It's ready to go home. Then we have a Toyota 4Runner. This came to us from the body shop for a recoat on a hatch and a bumper. And a Jeep Grand Cherokee. This coating was not performing very well when it came in for its annual, so we got it back in, and we're going to see what's going on, see if it just needs decontaminated really deeply or if it needs recoated. Whatever it is, we always stand behind our product. That one will be working when it leaves. Another Cybertruck, another satin black Cybertruck. So hopefully we get one of these to leave before they're both done and we don't mix up the keys. Key cards, I guess. Seeing lots of Cybertrucks. We love them. Down there we have an F-150. It's getting all sorts of things. Tint, PPF, coating as well. Belongs to our good friend Jamie. If you haven't checked out his YouTube channel yet, he's got an automotive YouTube channel that he started, I think last year, and he's doing a really great job with it. So check it out. Over here, we've got a Chrysler Pacifica. Jimmy, I think he traded everything in that he owns on this Pacifica. He just loves minivans. Talking about having another 6 kids or something like that, so he had to get another minivan in the family. Just kidding, that's his rental. His is getting repaired, I think. We have a Tesla Model Y. This one's getting the front fender redone. I don't know why. You can see there's a triangle of it missing. I don't know if it was body shop situation or actually there's some dents in it there. So something must have happened that damaged the film, but that's getting redone. And then we have the Challenger we've been working on for a little while. Again, this is having some work done on the wide body, then we're going to finish the wrap. So we've wrapped everything that we can wrap before they have to mess with the wide body stuff. So you can see the mirrors, the roof, the hood, doors, and the trunk deck. And this color is super cool. It's a color shift from Avery, and different angles, looks totally different colors. The body line really stands out with that color, so we like that. Up front, we've got a Bronco. This one has PPF on the front end, window tint, and I believe a ceramic premium coating. We've had a lot of Broncos here. There's a couple of them here. If I'm wrong on that, I'm sorry, but I'm pretty sure that's the one that's getting that. Then we have an AMG here for an annual inspection. Red interior, I love that. And another red interior on a Bentley. This one's here for PPF on the front end, window tint, and a ceramic coating for our good friend Diane. And if that isn't enough for you at this shop, check out the other two, because we got a lot of cars this week. We are officially in busy season. Let's see what's happening in Pittsburgh and Florida.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Up on the platform, we got a BMW M5. We did not tint the side windows or back window of this vehicle, but we did do the full stealth wrap, along with a 4-year ceramic coating and full windshield tint. Another vehicle ready for delivery is this Grand Highlander. We did PPF on the front bumper. window tint on all the side windows and the back window, and then a full polish and 8-year ceramic coating. Next in line for a full stealth wrap is this BMW 540. We're doing a full stealth wrap on the entire body, a 4-year ceramic coating, and tinting all the side windows and the back window. Over here, we got Mark doing his thing on this Porsche 911. This just got out of the PPF bay for a full 8mm paint protection film wrap. It's currently in the works with getting a 4-year ceramic coating. In the tint bay, we got 2 vehicles for Cole. First up is a 2025 Tesla Model Y, getting its sides and back XR Plus window tint. And next to the Tesla is another EV. Obviously, this is a Rivian R1T. On this, we did the 2 front windows to match the factory tint, and then a full windshield tint. In the wash bay, we got Connor working on this GT4. This was, I believe, our second stealth wrap out of his shop way back in 2021. It did sustain some front bumper damage, but the PPF did its job and protected the paint. So it's back in the shop today to get that film taken off and a fresh piece reapplied. In the back, in the PPF bay, we got 2 Teslas. To the right is a Tesla Model Y. This is in for a track package, full front and rocker panel kit. And up on the lift, we got Austin working on a Model 3. This was in for a 10mm PPF wrap about a year ago, was in an accident, and it's back in for some replacement pieces. Outside, next in line for a 4-year ceramic coating is this Lincoln Aviator. We tinted the 2 front windows and visor on this vehicle earlier in the week, and the customer brought it back in today to get the full vehicle polished and get a coating applied to it. There's a lot of metallic in this paint that likely will not pick up as well in the video, but once the vehicle is coated, this is going to pop so much more. That is all for Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
Here we have Amari working on our full wrap of the week. This is an SL43 AMG that's getting a full body xpel paint protection film install and a 4-year ceramic coating to top it off. Here we have this Miata getting 20% XR Plus all around with a 5% visor. Here we have this Model Y that's in for full ceramic tint all around. Got a full windshield and our 55% sunroof and full car.
We appreciate you tuning in each and every week. And if you haven't tuned in each and every week, we hope that you continue to do that from this week on. Thank you for watching. I love the opportunity to show off what we're working on. We'll see you next week.